How does TikTok live match works? Now, if you head over to TikTok and on the search bar search for TikTok live match, you're going to find lots of live videos. So what exactly is a live match and how does it work? I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about this. So TikTok live match is a game in which two users will go live against each other in 5 minutes. So it's a 5-minute game, and in that game time, whoever gets the highest amount of gifts is declared the winner. So this is all based on whoever receives the most amount of gifts, and the gift count is right above them. So you can find in this video there is the red sign and the blue sign right above the user. So from there as well you can tell the gift count. So whoever gets the highest amount of gift is the winner. Now TikTok live match is a great way of engaging the followers and also of getting the gifts. So usually when you go live alone you don't receive that many amount of gifts, but in live matches you get an opportunity of getting lots of gifts from your followers. So this is quite entertaining as well. So this is all you need to know about TikTok live matches, and that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.